Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Lemlist versus Saleshandy. Lemlist versus Saleshandy, both are popular sales engagement platforms, but they differ in their features, pricing, and use cases. The overview of Lemlist is that Lemlist is a powerful email outreach and marketing tool designed for sales teams, marketers, and businesses looking to improve their cold emailing and lead generation strategies. It focuses heavily on personalization and automation. Some key features of Lemlist is that it allows you to personalize emails at scale with dynamic variables and image personalization, making your outreach feel more individualized. Create and automate email campaigns with multiple follow-up steps, ensuring that prospects are nurtured over time. Get insights into open rates, click rates, and reply rates. It provides detailed reporting to optimize outreach campaigns. Test different subject lines, email content, and sequences to determine the most effective messaging. It integrates with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others for seamless data syncing. Create personalized landing pages and workflows directly within Lemlist to maximize conversions. It has highly customizable email templates, great personalization features for email campaigns, A/B testing help improve email campaign performance, and excellent for cold emailing and outreach. Steeper learning curve for beginners, limited features for users who need advanced CRM functionalities, and it can be expensive, especially for small teams or startups. It is best for companies that rely heavily on email outreach and want to scale their cold emailing with personalization. The pricing of Lemlist it starts around $59 per month for the starter plan, with pricing based on the number of emails you plan to send and features you need. While the overview of Saleshandy is that it is an email outreach tool that focuses on automating and optimizing email follow-ups, tracking, and engagement analytics. It is known for its simplicity and focus on sales teams looking to streamline communication. Key features of Saleshandy is it tracks opens, clicks, and replies with real-time notifications, helping you follow up when necessary. Automatically send follow-up emails based on recipient behavior such as non-opened emails or non-replies. And tracks when recipients open attachments, allowing you to know which documents are engaging the most. Send personalized emails to multiple recipients without having to manually adjust each one, and it integrates with CRMs like Pipedrive, HubSpot, Zoho, and others. Built-in meeting scheduling tool to streamline the process of setting up calls and meetings, and it is easy to use interface with intuitive workflows, great email tracking and follow-up automation. Document tracking feature is very useful for sales teams, and it is affordable pricing for small teams and startups. Fewer advanced features compared to Lemlist, especially in terms of deep personalization, limited A or B testing options, and some users report limited email deliverability in certain cases. It is best for teams that focus on email tracking, automating follow-ups, and want an easy-to-use platform. Pricing of Saleshandy it starts at $9 per month for the free plan, with more advanced features available at higher pricing tiers. So basically, this is the difference between Lemlist versus Saleshandy. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.